Very good morning to all of you. Very enchanting and enticing morning. Here I am, Dr. Rajan Kumar Srivastava from Saraswati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Rampal Basti. Here we have come here on such type of platform orientation program English communication, and this is here Bhaures Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Noida. So here this program started on 3rd October and opening ceremony was held in the program as our Honorable Professor Sir Dr. Lalit ji here was our chief guest, and our two mentors Mr. Deepak Sharma ji and Mrs. Renu Gupta ji, who are our honorable mentors in this program continuously. Even the principal of the institute, Mr. Somgiri ji, actually who has provided all type of facilities here and infrastructures to learn on this platform. So for this program, I would like to say that this is the platform where all aspirants have a great chance to learn and to communicate English without any hesitation and fear, and they can do several activities what we have learned from here. Actually, all activities related to as very thrilling, enticing and full of exciting. That is our, as example, just a minute, beat the clock, find and touch, vocabulary based our own, presence of mind, several activities we have learned here from this platform. And we can say that such type of activities must be played here, as role play is also a very prominent factor in our activities. We just have played our own role play as several characters. We have presented our own presentation on several stages. So we can say that all these things actually are beneficial to ourselves and for the welfare and betterment of our students in school and colleges also. All these things we can say, and that would be possible only on the great contribution and coordination, cooperation by Mr. Paul sir. Actually, he has Mr. Madan Pal ji. Actually, he has given all his cooperation and he has given his own love, attention, care to all of us here for any type of difficulties and for any type of problems here. He just has been as our parent, our guardian here, and he has given so much love and affection to all of our aspirants also. So once again, I would like to say that a tremendous effort that is shown and initiative action by Vidya Bharati is really beneficial and very useful to all of us. So this orientation program actually that is continuing for 15 days, and all of the aspirants must be benefited for this. So at last I would heartily be thankful to all of my here, our great and egg-headed, blue-stocking, nerd and more polypath, prudent mentors and all here who actually have given their own contribution, cooperation, and our all aspirants also who have come here to learn here and they are participating here. Thanks to all of here, and I have a great gratitude to all of them. So this is from the bottom of my heart, and the whole concept of Alpha and Omega, we can say the scenario actually goes without saying that this type of program must be beneficial and it will be in our favor for the welfare of all the students in our school and colleges and in society. So for this, have a lot thanks to all of you. Thanks. Have a nice day.